By now, you should know that Henry is going to be on radio tomorrow on the Virgin Breakfast Radio Show playing Happy Birthday. So we've done tab for some of you, but this is the chord version of how to play the song. I'm just going to move this towards the screen. You can do a screenshot of this if you want, and then you will know what you are playing. Okay, and then you can print that off. So I'll put that down. And as you can see, we're going to be playing chord of F and chord of pink C7, and then side by side F and C7, which I call squish. But squish is really an easier version of an advanced chord that's called B flat. But we don't call it B flat unless we're really, really good at this. So I'm going to put this one down because today squish is going to work fine. Okay? So let's have a quick practice. Yellow F. Here we go. F, 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 F. Here goes C7. C7. It's your pink sticker. And back to F. Now here we go. 2 fingers together and we're going to do squish, 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 squish. Squish. Well done. Try that one more time. F, 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 F. Squish. C7, 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 C7. Squish, 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 squish. Okay. So I'm going to pick up my ukulele now and we'll have a little look at how it sounds. You can join in too. Okay, so get your F ready. F. Here comes your F on your yellow sticker. F, 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 F. F. Same finger, finger 1, rock to C7. Good. And back to yellow F. And just 2 fingers side by side and you've got squish. Now, super, super advanced children could play B flat. And you know that B flat is your finger like that. And those 2 fingers like this. Okay? But we don't have to play B flat today. We can play squish. And it will still work on Happy Birthday. Alright? So let's have a quick practice. Get your ukuleles ready. Remember, no B flat. We're going to be playing squish. Okay, here we go. 1, 2. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, whoever. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. We went to the zoo. We saw a hyena and we thought it was you. Happy birthday to you, from friends old and new. Now give us some cake and all your presents too. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, whoever. Happy birthday to you. Well done, okay. Now, for any people that really got keen and had a little go at tab, we can have a little go at tab as well, okay? Now, you all had a little session on tab, and if you've lost it, you can just go back onto the film of tab, okay? Here's a little flash for anybody who lost their tab sheet. Here it is. Happy birthday. Starts on your C. Da 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 da. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. Now you don't have to go this fast. Shall we slow it down? Let's try it fast first. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to play it now a little bit slower because some of you that may be... Dun, 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 dun. Okay, that's nice and slow, isn't it? Ready? Here we go. Get your C ready. 1, 2, 3. Here come your C's. Well done. It's not easy, but a little bit of practice, you're going to get so good. Don't forget, tomorrow morning, Virgin Radio, breakfast show, Chris Evans, Henry from Lakeside, giving it this. Meanwhile, keep washing your hands, keep smiling, keep singing, keep dancing, keep having fun, and I'll see you soon. Bye!